Assalamualaikum class, this is Maimuna Rafiq and today we will discuss the next topic of neuropsychology and is problem solving mental process. So what is the basically problem होती क्या है और हम प्रॉब्लम को किन स्ट्रेटजीज के थ्रू सॉल्व कर सकते हैं एंड किन बेसिस पे प्रॉब्लम जो है वो क्रिएट होती है और उनको सॉल्व कैसे किया जाता है. वो जितनी भी मेंटल प्रोसेस उसके दौरान कौन कौन सा मेंटल प्रोसेस हो रहा होता है दैट वी आर डिस्कस इन दिस टॉपिक. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू द फर्स्ट टॉपिक इज द प्रॉब्लम. Problem, who is involved in it? All people in the company or a particular department where the problem occur are involved in it. Why is a problem? Because the measure taken or devices or system formed are not efficient enough. They create a negative impact on the company, its profitability and its working. So how can it be solved? The things didn't work according to the plan. It is defined as a systematic approach of understanding the problem and developing number of the solution to it without being judgmental. Here the managers or top officers use their previous experiences, skills or knowledge to solve the problem. So introduction here. Today any organization would be faced with the problem of solving. There are problems related to the employee conflict, system working, any product failure or malfunctioning or any sudden problem occurring due to the unforeseen circumstances. But we cannot let these problems lose us or our company, and hence there is a need to have a proper problem solving mechanism through which we can solve the problem. The problem could be familiar electricity problem, laptop functioning हो गई, calculations being wrongly calculated by the system, or unfamiliar. So the solve problem at an early stage before they grow to bigger one and get impossible to get solved. Solve problem that best suits you, as you may be expert in a particular field or have the skill to resolve the problem of specific areas. Skills, once this is done, you can give solution to those problems quickly and efficiently. Have a mediator, especially when there are people problem in the organization, because most of the time employees tend to take their immediate supervisor for granted, and hence the immediate supervisor for granted, and hence the mediator can work well in a such situation. Rules हैं. It is also better to train the manager on the solving the problem at their level so that they don't get escalated to the top levels. More communication. The more you communicate and interact with the other expert on the problem solving mechanism and strategies, the more effective they turn out to be. In extreme cases, it better to have a redressed panel to solve more complicated issues. Number one, define, analysis the problem. What was the made it a problem, and what does the problem involve? Also, who is the involved in the problem? What event come with it, and what are its effect, and what harm does it cause? How often does the problem occur, and how long has there been a problem? What is the duration of a problem? तो ये क्या था, प्रोसेस ऑफ प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग थे. ठीक है, ये प्रोसेस ऑफ प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग आपकी स्टार्ट हो गई, जिसमें नंबर 1 पे था डिफाइन एंड एनालिसिस द प्रॉब्लम. नंबर 2 पे है फाइंड द अल्टरनेटिव सॉल्यूशन. सेलेक्ट द अल्टरनेटिव्स. What step to be taken after it is implemented? Number C, problem can plan implemented. If it not implemented, what should be the next plan of the action? How did you arrive at the solution? Choose the alternatives. Number 3, choose the alternative. Which solution will given you more effective result? Mention as how you monitored the result, considering the possible risk involved, and take action. Implemented the plan immediately. Assessment, check if the plan was implemented, if the main goal was achieved. What proves step B? What if we have removed the plan, and what will be the effect? What are the new strategies to improve, and how can you monitor the plan? नंबर 6 पे आप इस प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग प्रोसेस में फॉलो अप लेते हो whether the plan was successful or not, and checked whether the plan had any pitfalls. So advantages हैं, it helps to eliminate the problem or either reduce the problem. It also helps to reduce the harmful effect of the problem. It make use of the various resources to the help in the developing solution. Thus the problem solving help to increase the profitability and branding of a company. Okay, so levels हैं, there is some levels. Number 1 level is a simple, which does not require much expertise and can be even to solved by the manager at a lower level of hierarchy. Moderate में क्या है, they are not be serious type but still have to be solved at the earliest as possible. And number 3 level is complex. Okay, there are the ones to be resolved on the priority and need to more attention and care. Also they are mostly handled by the top management. So there is some factor to consider. To listen attentively, to understand the core problem, to have the complete control over your emotions and not lose the patience, to know the intensity of the problem and accordingly start dealing with it, to know the employee nature. Some are very aggressive, impulsive, to react intensely, solve it, begin unbiased, use different solution in a different situation. So skills to use in problem solving is decision making, motivation, planning, knowledge, analytical skill, experiences, communication skills, group skills, judgments, collection information. To form employee points क्या है, communicate with the whom you have a problem, solve misunderstanding, talk to your leader regarding it, having a decision directly with the person with whom you have a problem. In case of the problem apart, the interpersonal discussion and solve the problem by the forming a group so that the effect are the more loud or effective. Problem solving and decision making. To solve a problem required with decision making, and decision making is an important leadership quality. This is because to come out of the problem, taking accurate and timely decision is very important. So else problem can get more escalated. Also not just the decision but the quality of the decision is also important. Following the qualities are the process by the decision maker is judgment, creative, alternative solution, firm and accurate, timely implementations. Some decisions are difficult to or face some challenges which need more knowledge or skills or expertise or even resources that you might not be purchased in a point in time. Always prepare your decision in the advance about their effect and consider some option to implement it effectively. Sometimes few decisions are to be made when you are not ready for the same. Also sometimes you have to take the decision to not implementing any new strategies and continues with the current ones. So have courage to confess them to your superiors. टेक्निक्स हैं कुछ प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग की जिसमें ब्रेन स्टॉर्मिंग है, ठीक है. दिस इज़ यूजली टेक प्लेस बिटवीन द एक्सपर्ट और group member or between the people of the specific designation. It helps in motivating the people to think somewhere new ideas and creativity. It also develops a team and plus it helps the problem solving. So number 2 पे है SWOT analysis. It refers to the SWOT means strength, which means weakness, O means opportunity, and T means threats. ठीक है. So नेक्स्ट है क्लीवर ट्रैगर टूल्स ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग, जिसमें फर्स्ट है सिचुएशन द स्टडी कि व्हाट काइंड ऑफ द सिचुएशन दैट यू आर फेसिंग एंड व्हाट द करंट सिचुएशन. फिर द स्टडी ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम्स एंड एनालिसिस द डिसीजन. एंड नंबर 4 पे एनालिसिस द पोटेंशियल प्रॉब्लम और अपॉर्चुनिटी. सो दीज आर द Cantor target tools of problem solving. So you can read it in detail. So thank you so much guys. Inshallah we will discuss the new things in the next lecture. I hope you guys are understanding this topic. Inshallah we will meet in the next lecture. For today remember in your prayers. So Allah Hafiz, take care of yourself.